Today I am punching out wafer paper snowflakes, but the paper is so brittle because it is winter, and see, this snowflake punch has a lot of detail on it. So what happens is I punch it out and it immediately breaks. It's not coming out of the punch the right way. So I don't have time to put this in a box with a paper towel that's wet and let it absorb the moisture and kind of condition itself. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do over here, and we're going to go over to my stove now. Okay, on the stove, I have a pot of boiling water. It's not quite boiling, it's getting there, but it's steaming, and the steam that's in it, if you hold the paper over it, it's going to curl the paper. But what's happening is that the paper is absorbing some moisture. So if you get wafer paper that's really, really dry, and you need to just give it a little bit of moisture so that it doesn't break immediately when it's cut, just take it over, hold it over the steaming water for just a little bit, and you'll feel it. You know, I mean, it's obviously it's moving because that's what wafer paper does. But what happens is once you've added the water to the paper, let me see if I can get this so that you can see it. I'll hold it up here. Ta-da! Now it's cutting and it's not breaking. All right, so just by adding that little bit of moisture, and you're going to have to probably, you know, test this a few times, but look, it just keeps it from breaking. So if you're working with wafer paper that's really brittle, just take it, hold it over some water, just steam it a little bit. It will add the moisture to the paper and it will absorb, and it will give you that ability to work with it without having it break and crack on you. So leave me any questions, but that's just a little quick tip for today, and I hope it was helpful.